Panguyat ha. Kung hindi nyo kapagbuligan, hindi taga matagaan korta. Si Ashrid ba nagapaugtas?
I'm helping Mom.
First vaccine na ibebenta. Good luck.
Whew. Hi, Tita. Hi, Tito. Today we are going to be harvesting a few of these apricots.
Hurry
Yeah,
up.
but only the very yellow ones.
Yeah. Isa, dalawa. Ay, nahulog. Ako na lang. Ay, nagmi sa ila. Crunchy. Nagahulog. Nagahulog na siya, ti. One. Yeah. Isang touch mo lang, nagahulog na siya. Para magkapera, mang-harvest tayo ng bunga. Ibenta sa marketplace, wala. Kwarta na.
I'm helping Mom.
In the basket.
This one?
Yeah, para kwarta ta.
Oh, those ones really nice.
Careful da.
Oh, there's a good one up here.
Kung hindi nyo kapagbuligan, hindi taga matagaan kwarta. Wala kong da. Ay, kwarta na dis. Daw santol siya, tiyo.
I found a good one.
Oo. Oh. Ito dapat silang pangunahin, ti kay Berry, luto na siya talaga. So next day mahulog na yan siya, sayang no. Pera na yan, ti. Pera na dis. Si Ashrid ba nagapaugtas? Come on, bring the bucket da. Slow down lang, di, para hindi siya magkalabunog. Yo, pwede na yan. Ate naman. More money. More money. Okay, kiluhin. Dapat 5 kilos. Perfect.
Look at that. Mommy's delivering apricots.
Come on, Nani, we need 2 more boxes na. 2 more.
Mommy is getting apricots. See this? Gonna see baby, y'all. Mama, what are we doing today?
We're harvesting some money.
So we can get some money because we're going to the Philippines in a minute. But after Christmas, when we finish at Christmas, we're gonna go to Father's Christmas. See those apricots over there? So delicious, isn't it? Because the 25 people don't know only for eating, are they, Mom?
Oh, that is 5 kilos. Perfect.
No, no, no. The bug.
Slowly, Celeste.
There's a bug. It's gonna eat the fruit. I saw one. I saw it.
Ate, we need 1 more bag daw. 5 kilos of it. Slowly gani, kay mahulog ang iban. Saan pati oh. Nguyat ha. Hinahinay man, araman, grabe daw. Don't drop the other one, it's gonna crack.
Got it. We should have. Look at that one. That one's huge.
Smile, P. Hayahay ng $100, tita. Sold ang 5 box. First binta namin, te.
Have fun at the Philippines. Yes.
Yep, right here.